Jeep alarms often activate at night due to oversensitive sensors. The tilt sensor, interior motion sensor, hood switch, and key fob are the primary culprits. The tilt sensor can be triggered by wind, settling, or even animals. Interior motion sensors sometimes detect insects or temperature fluctuations. A faulty hood switch or key fob malfunction can also set off the alarm. Recent Jeep models have sophisticated sensors, but environmental factors and hardware vulnerabilities often cause false alarms. Firmware updates can reduce these issues, but DIY fixes remain common due to sensor exposure and wear. Start by identifying the likely cause. Check for loose hood switch connections or corrosion on the sensors. Clean the tilt sensor and interior motion sensor to remove any dirt or debris that might be causing false triggers. Next, ensure the key fob battery isn't depleted and the fob is not experiencing interference from nearby electronics like Wi-Fi routers or other devices. Try reprogramming the fob through the vehicle's settings menu if needed. Try resetting the alarm by cycling the ignition 10 times. Turn the key to the on position, then back to off, waiting about 10 seconds between each cycle. This can clear temporary glitches in the system. For more recent Jeep models, check for over-the-air updates that address bugs in the vehicle immobilizer module and body control module. These updates can fix sensor calibration issues and reduce false alarms. For persistent issues, use an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes, especially P0605, which indicates body control module faults. This can pinpoint the exact problem in the vehicle's systems. If DIY solutions fail, consult a professional mechanic to avoid potential damage to the body control module. Consider aftermarket sensor upgrades for problematic sensors that continue to cause issues.